the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and also the local MLA of North Tura constituency, our Deputy Commissioner, our Chief Executive Member of the Garhwal's Autonomous District Council, all the other respected MDCs who are present out there, our SP and other officials, and most importantly, all our members of different development committees, all different members of different religious groups and denominations, and our citizens of Tura town. First of all, I would like to congratulate our Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Jagdish Chalani, for having successfully started this particular campaign. I have been after most of the deputy commissioners to start this campaign for a very long time, including Shillong, Jowai, and other towns and cities. But for whatever reason, we were not able to take this forward. And for Shillong, especially, I've been talking about this almost for the last 2 years. But I'm very happy to see that finally this has taken off and Tura has shown the way. And I would like to congratulate our Deputy Commissioner for having done this. The thought process behind this is very, very simple. We are doing a lot of cleaning drive. We all want our city, our town to look beautiful and clean. And whenever we drive through our city or walk, we see the garbage, we see the different kind of, you know, walls not being painted, semi-constructed buildings not completed, and many other things that make the town actually not very, very nice and clean and beautiful as we would want it. And I've seen that cleaning drives are done very regularly, but somehow we are not able to sustain it. And as I said, it's more to do with the overall habit that we need to create awareness, we need to inculcate among our citizens. So it is time taking and